Review tayo guys, lagi ko namang dinidiscuss to sa inyo dito. Basic pero ilan sa pinaka-importanting grammar lessons na dapat master ninyo. I was blank when you called yesterday. Sleep, slept, sleeping. Ang pwedeng makagulo dito is yung was at yung yesterday since pareho silang past. So, chances are, iisipin na slept yung tamang sagot kasi yan yung past tense dyan. Pero tandaan nyo na sa isang active sentence, kapag may is, are, was, were, am, ang laging kasunod nun, ing form ng verb. So, ang tamang sagot dito, sleeping. I was sleeping when you called yesterday. She didn't blank last night. Study, studied, studies. Dito, pwede namang makagulo yung didn't at yung last night kasi past na naman. So baka ang isipin, studied yung tamang sagot. Pero again, ang rule dyan, kapag may didn't, doesn't, don't, or do, does, did, ang laging kasunod, base form ng verb. Yung walang ed, walang s, walang ing, yung base verb lang. So, ang tamang sagot, study. She didn't study last night.